So I am back with a very big announcement. So do you guys know which is the biggest requirement of this year, like this era, like whether in 2023, 2024, and I'm pretty sure in 25, 26, 27, and this is going to be the trend. All the core companies is asking for the knowledge in this programming language, and all the IT companies is also focused on this language. It is nothing but Python. A lot of people are looking for job in core companies, and when they open the job notification, they're asking for Python, C, C++, etc. Now, consistently, I'm seeing that Python is a biggest requirement. I'm posting some of the images on the screen now, which you can see and very clearly understand that why it is so important, because all job notification is having this requirement. So I'm going to start a course that will help you in understanding the basic Python and help you to get through the interview. So it's going to be a fundamental level of Python course. And a lot of people is going to ask me, okay, this channel is an electronics based channel. Why are you teaching Python? A lot of questions is going to come from many people I know, but the answer I have already told you, because it is a requirement for most of the core companies. I am pretty, you know, I'm sure about it. I'm 100% sure about it. So I'm going to start a course on Python. Here we'll be doing the basic syntax. We'll be doing, the basic understanding of Python, how to do Python, which is the ID that you can use. Everything I'm going to share with you. I have some IDs that I am using, which is not paid ones. It's free, 100% free. I'm pretty sure that you might be knowing, but for those people who don't know, like which is the ID that we have to use, what is the platform where you can create a file. So those things I'm going to share with you. So it's going to be an interesting course. Please stay with me. Please watch the course with me, and please get placed in core companies if you are interested in. And we'll be continuing the job opportunity videos. We'll be doing some VHDL videos, which is like pending. I have already all the videos in my computer, but I'm going to upload it like slowly, because a lot of people is asking where is the rest of the videos of VHDL. So it's there with me because of some of the technical problems, some of the basically view problems. I have not posted it, but I'm going to post it because I really like enjoying, or I really like making these kind of content videos, basically teaching videos. So it's going to come. If you are looking for VHDL, it's there. If you're looking for Python, it's there. If you're looking for career guidance, that videos also I'm including. Basically interview preparation videos for various subjects, various topics, and job updates will be posted too. So if you are somebody who is a job aspirant, you are at the right place. Please click on the subscribe button and make use of the videos. That's it. Stay with me. Thanks for watching and continue watching. Bye.